Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1040 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I am so excited to finally be trying out this beautiful eyeshadow palette from HIPDOT. This is the Mystic Mauves palette and I got this in PR a while ago, but I am finally able to try it out. So as I just said, disclaimer that this was sent to me in PR, so this was sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. First of all, look at this beautiful packaging. I love HIPDOT. I love their eyeshadows. They seriously make such beautiful palettes. So when I saw this one, I was so excited because this is so my taste. Look at these shades. What I noticed right away that I love about this, aside from the color story, is the range of light colors to dark colors and mattes and shimmers. So this is cruelty free, vegan, they are pressed pigments, and this has a retail value of $22. This is also talc free, paraben free, mineral oil free, and phthalate free. So I definitely want to go ahead and swatch a few of the shades. When I start with this glitter here, oh my gosh, such a beautiful texture. Let's do this matte. Oh my gosh, let's do this shimmer, this matte. They have such a soft, buttery texture. I love it. Oh my gosh. They swatch so pigmented. So sparkly. Both the shimmers and mattes swatch so beautifully. Oh my gosh, this is very impressive. So here you can see what those swatches look like. And so now, as per usual, when I try out an eyeshadow palette, I like to try it out with and without an eyeshadow primer. So going in with a tiny bit of my Zoeva matte eyeshadow fix. Love that there's the big mirror on here. So I'm just going to apply this all over one of my eyelids. And I actually have a few shades in here to work as that highlight shade. Could do this one, maybe even this one. But I think I'm gonna take, this one's a little bit more glittery. That's the one that I swatched. I feel like the glitter is more for the lid, so I'm gonna go in with this one, which is a little bit of like a shimmery shade rather than glitter. And I'm gonna use this as a brow bone highlight. Oh my gosh, great choice. This is so beautiful for that brow. Look at how reflective that is. I'm also gonna use this shade as that inner corner highlight, which is such a great shade for that. I just love how bright it is. That sheen. That is such a beautiful highlight shade. Next, I really want to take this pretty mauvey pink shade, and I'm using a big fluffy brush to blend this into the transition area from crease to brow bone. And that just has such beautiful, smooth pigment. Love this pink shade. And now to build up the crease, I'm gonna go in with this darker matte brown shade. I love this color story and this color scheme. It is all so cohesive, but there's so many different options that I'm like, which direction do I wanna take this in? You could definitely do a casual look. You could do a nighttime glam look. Lots of versatility, but yet all still super cohesive. So I really love that. It makes it a perfect travel palette because you can get all of the different eyeshadow looks that you would want. And you have this big mirror, which is really important to me when I'm choosing a travel palette. I will say, so since these shadows are really soft, there's a lot of kickback, so it gets a little bit messy, but I do not mind that for the shades to be so pigmented and blendable. I'm loving the mauve look already. I could definitely just go ahead and do like one of the lighter shimmery shades all over the rest of my eyelid. I would love that look, but I definitely want to try and incorporate more shades. So next, I'm gonna take this really pretty maroon burgundy shade and I'm gonna blend this. Oh my gosh, so pigmented. I'm gonna blend this into that outer V, kind of build up that dimension that I like to try and get in my eyeshadow looks. To help lift the eye. So blendable. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. And I'm already noticing that I love my lip color combination with this eyeshadow look. A lot of my lipsticks and lip glosses are in that kind of mauve family. So I have so many shades that would look so good with all of the colors in this palette. All right, and then this shimmering shade here is just really calling to me, so I have to apply some of that into that outer section of the lid as well. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty on top of that burgundy maroon shade. And this is so pigmented, just so easy to apply. Just lightly tapping it on the lid gives that full color. And then I loved how this pink glitter swatched so much. I have to put this on my lid. Oh my gosh, it is so sparkly, but yet full pigment, opaque color, but it is so bright and glittery. Oh my gosh, I love this color. And so easy to apply. It's a kind of chunky glitter, but it sticks right onto the lid. Super easy to apply with my finger. Just kind of blending the two shades together by tapping with my finger. And then I'm going to blend out that crease. All right, and now I definitely need a shade for that lower lash line that'll pull this whole look together. And I feel like that perfect shade is once again going to be this shimmering shade in the center here. How does that look? Yes, so pretty. I'm just loving all of the sparkle shimmer going on with this eyeshadow look, but then I also love the tones and the colors. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know this is going to be a palette that I reach for all the time. I just feel like you can't go wrong with this palette. The formulas are so beautiful, easy to work with. Every single shade I used was so good. The colors are so flattering, cohesive, easy to mix. It goes with the lips. Oh, it's just so fun. So here is my finished eyeshadow look, and I am so happy with this. I feel like adding kind of like a cat eye lash would be so pretty with this. But wow, I highly recommend this. I don't know if I mentioned that this has a retail value of $22, and to me, $22 for this great quality eyeshadow with the 9 beautiful shades where I'll get use out of all 9 shades. I feel like $22 is a fair price for this. So I am so thankful that I got this from HIPDOT. I love it. I'm going to use it all the time. It is so beautiful. I love HIPDOT eyeshadows. This is just another palette reinforcing that for me. So let me know if you have tried out the HIPDOT eyeshadow palettes, which ones are your favorites. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.